Welcome, this is a demo of the new groups functionality in ccNewsletter 1.3. If you go to Components ccNewsletter, you'll notice there's a new tab, Groups. I've already created a few groups, but adding new groups is really easy. Just hit New, add a name, select Enabled and Public Status, and save and close. The interesting part in this view is the public button. You can choose to not show a certain group to your site visitors. For example, if you want to create a special secret subscriber group or any other reason. But if you do show them to site visitors, then it's still very non-intrusive. If I would go to the site, as I'm doing now, and view the ccNewsletter module, you'll see that groups are not shown in the module. There's a very good reason for that. According to research, you should not show things like group options or extended information in a module or in a subscription form, because people will just not subscribe. The amount of people that will subscribe to your newsletter will be less. So what we've thought of here in ccNewsletter is to make the subscription module extremely simple. Name, email, that's all. john3@smith.com. And then people are already subscribed, already added to your newsletter, to your all subscribers group, which is default in ccNewsletter. And then if they have the attention span or the interest, they can choose a certain group to also become a member of. So for example, John Smith would choose, well, monthly news and yearly news. Or come to think of it, I don't want yearly news, so I'm removed again. You are removed from this group. I just want the monthly news. And you see they have to do nothing else than just add a checkbox. They don't have to click OK, get another confirmation and all kinds of complicated stuff. Just check the checkbox and they're added to the group. This is non-intrusive, this is user-friendly, and this will definitely help you get more newsletter subscribers. If we go back to the administrator, then you see that in the groups overview you can see which subscribers or the amount of subscribers added to different groups. And I'm going to show you how this looks when sending a newsletter, because you have to be able to select the group you want to send a newsletter to, and therefore we have improved the ccNewsletter sending interface. So if you select a certain group, third newsletter, then click send. If you have multiple groups, then you will now get a drop down where you can select that group. So I would say I want to send third newsletter to the yearly news update people. They only get a newsletter once a year, and then ccNewsletter will update the amount of subscribers here, and you can press send to start sending the newsletter. If you only have one group, the default all subscribers group, then this entire drop down is not shown. Then ccNewsletter will just say send third newsletter to your subscribers. So this is very non-intrusive. If you don't want to use groups, then you don't need to, and you won't even notice them. This is easy for yourself or for your customers. If you're a web developer and you need a newsletter extension that's really easy to use and that doesn't show functionality that your customers don't need, then ccNewsletter is what you need. That's the group functionality in ccNewsletter 1.3. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, feel free to create a ticket on our website. Thanks for watching.